Washington is one of the country's top producers of raspberries, and they have long been woven into the fabric of Washington agriculture. The state's amazing berry harvests of Whatcom County is a testament to its rich history. Let's take a look back and see where it all began. Long before Europeans discovered Washington, it was home to indigenous tribes, such as the Lummi, Nooksack, and Skagit. The native people foraged for wild berries, like huckleberries, salmonberries, and blackberries, and used them for food, medicine, teas, and trading goods. When European settlers made their way to the Pacific Northwest, they preferred the berries from their homeland, including raspberries. The first historical evidence we have for raspberry growing in Washington comes from 1833 at Fort Nisqually near Olympia. Chief Trader William Ptolemy wrote about transplanting raspberry bushes into a new garden in his journal. As westward expansion continued, raspberry growing became more popular. Many settlers who made the journey to Washington headed north to present-day Whatcom County, where most of the state's raspberries are grown today. The area was home to places like Bellingham Bay, which had plenty of Douglas fir trees that settlers needed for lumber. With the arrival of the Northern Pacific Railroad in the 1870s, Bellingham Bay boomed with miners, lumber mills, and berry farmers. For the rest of the 19th century, European settlers grew most raspberries on small farms and sold the berries straight from the source. Blueberries and strawberries were also popular, with people experimenting to create more delicious and sought-after varieties throughout the 1900s. By the 1950s, commercial market farms replaced the small-scale farms and garden plots, establishing Whatcom County and the Puget Sound as a berry grower's paradise. Washington's raspberries took a back seat to strawberries and blueberries over the next few decades, but they finally came into their own in the 1980s. Since then, berry tourism has continued to grow in popularity in the Pacific Northwest. One popular event is the Northwest Raspberry Festival in Linden. The festival began as a humble sidewalk sale in 1997 before growing into the large event it is today. The community celebration takes place over the third weekend in July and attracts tens of thousands of people each year. Guests can enjoy food, live music, and more. Many local business owners have also joined the festivities and shown their love for Washington-grown raspberries over the years, including Macrina Bakery in Seattle.
So a lot of our products use raspberries, and specifically raspberries from this area, and we just like to be able to participate and support the community and show just like how fabulous the raspberries are.
Most of the state's red raspberry production, around 99%, comes from Whatcom County. Punjabi Sikh immigrants from British Columbia farm side by side with families of Dutch and other European descendants, each bringing their own history and expertise to the land. It hasn't been easy for Washington raspberry farmers. A devastating heat wave in 2021 destroyed much of that year's harvest, and ongoing struggles over water and labor have made it harder than ever to keep their farms running smoothly. But despite these challenges, Washington farmers remain positive and continue to grow some of the best raspberries in the world every year.
My family's been farming berries since the mid-90s. My husband and my dad and my brothers, they're all out in the field right now working. It's super exciting to have the whole community come together and support the product that we grow.
In 2024, Washington harvested over 50 million pounds of red raspberries. Most are shipped out for jams, juices, and frozen products, but you can still find plenty at local farms, markets, and grocery stores.
Oh man, these are so good. Oh.